I knew it was an accident. Should I press charges dun sa event worker?
Actually, we could pursue charges, hindi lang sa worker, kundi pati sa venue at event organizers. Negligence like this should have consequences.
Yun din ang sinabi ko kay Lilith. But she's determined to let this go. Besides, hindi naman sinasadya ng tao at wala namang masamang nangyari kay Lilith.
That's so, Ate Lilith. Pero kung may nangyaring masama sa kanya, hindi natin dapat palampasin yun.
Believe me, I also want to hold that person accountable. But who am I to demand that? Kung si Lilith nga, bless her heart, wants to forgive. And I'm actually guilty too. Hindi ko man lang na-double-check yung arrangements ng venue. And for that, I'm really sorry, Ramir.
Patricia, come on, you don't have to apologize. In fact, ako ang dapat mag-sorry sa'yo kung minasabi ako hindi maganda ng party. I was just worried about Lilith.
I'll leave it to you if you want to move forward with the case. Just let me know. Anyway, mauna na ako sa inyo.
Sandali, sabay na tayo, Evan. Gusto ko dumaan sa mga matches to personally apologize to Lilith and her family.
Okay, let me bring you out.
Ingat, Dad.
Well, give my regards to them, hon.
Yeah.
Evan, ingat!
Bye!
Oh my God, finally! The chandelier case is already over. Buti na lang talaga wala ako doon. Hindi ko nakita nung bumagsak yun. I got a call from a guest. Nawawala. She needed directions. Mahina yung signal dun sa table namin. So I had to look for a better reception. Tapos, nakita ko na lang na bumagsak yung chandelier.
Nakita mo bumagsak yung chandelier? How did you see it?
Kasi malapit ako dun sa nangyari, yung aksidente.
Mom, you said you didn't see what happened?
Yes. Kasi hindi ko naman talaga nakita eh.
But you told the police na nakita mo nung bumagsak yung chandelier, remember?